Omelette cake, soft and spongy with parsley. You will need 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. Put in a cup. Add half a cup of chopped onion on top of it. And then add a dash of salt and the spices that you like. Here I use a dash of cinnamon, dash of black pepper, and dash of nutmeg. Add on top of them 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now mix well and put aside for all the flavors to come together. Crack 2 eggs in a clean glass bowl. Now let's start whisking it. Let's beat it up very fast until they become very fluffy. Then add 1 tablespoon of evaporated milk. You can use regular milk. Now preheat the pan on medium-high and continue beating the eggs. You will notice here how foamy the eggs are. We need to achieve this kind of consistency. Add 1 tablespoon of flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda will make it crispy. Mix well and whisk again. Toss in the parsley mixture and mix. Whisk again and you're done. Put 2 tablespoons of olive oil on a heated pan. Pour the egg mixture on the oil and see it sizzling. Now immediately you start pushing the outside to the inside, outside to the inside, and then roll the egg around the pan until it's flat. Close it with its cover and make sure it's on medium heat. After around 5 minutes or until you see the top stopped from wiggling, you can flip it and keep it for 2 minutes cooking without a cover. Now turn off the heat and close the lid and wait 5 minutes until the steam cooks the inside. Now you're done. Flip the egg into a plate and cut it. You can enjoy it with a hulless barley bread and a cup of homemade yogurt.